Hello students, today we will study about carbocation and carbanions. Carbocation and carbanions are formed by fission of covalent bond. What is the meaning of fission? Fission means breaking or cleavage. And that cleavage takes place in two ways. First one is heterolytic fission and another one is homolytic fission. Let us see how heterolytic fission takes place. Now I am taking one example of CH3Cl. Between CH3 and Cl, covalent bond is present. Now you all are knowing in this standard that covalent bond are formed by sharing of electron. One pair of electron is shared between C and Cl. Now if cleavage between CH3 or breaking between CH3 and Cl takes place in this way, that both the shared pair of electron is goes to Cl, okay, goes to one of the bonded atom or bonded part. Suppose both shared pair are taken by Cl, then carbon will get one positive charge. If cleavage it takes place in this way, that the shared pair of electron goes to one part of the bonded atom or bonded atom, then it is called your heterolytic fission. Okay, now here the carbon, the species in which carbon is having positive charge and sextext of electron. Octet means 8 electrons, sextext means 6 electrons. With H it is having 6 other electrons. So this type of species are called your carbocations. Carbocations are only earlier called carbonium ions. Okay, now carbocations are highly unstable because they are having charge and they are highly reactive. They are highly unstable and they are highly reactive. Now they are also divided into primary, secondary and tertiary carbocations in this way. Suppose this is here CH3. You are knowing very well that CH3 is methyl, but when it is CH3 with positive charge, this is your methyl cation. Okay. Now second one I am writing here in place of one H. See here 3, here 2. If one another group CH3 is present, this is your ethyl cation and this is your primary carbocation, because this positively charged C is attached to 1C. If it is attached to 2C, it will be your secondary carbocation. In this way, if in place of one more HCH, I am taking here CH3 twice, okay, then this is your secondary carbocation. Its name is your isopropyl cation. This is ethyl cation, eth for 2 carbon atom. Now here positively charged carbon is attached with 2 other carbon atoms, that's why it is secondary. And next one I am taking in place of one more H, I am taking 3 methyl groups. Okay, so this is positively charged carbon attached with 3 carbon, so it is your tertiary carbocation. Now this is primary, secondary, tertiary, and methyl carbocation is included in primary carbocation or carbonium ion. Now as I have already said that they are highly unstable, but stability increases in this way. Okay, more alkyl groups are attached means it is more stable. Stability increases in this way, and this is very important topic, students. Carbocation, carbanions, and this type of series and questions can come regarding this series, that how it increases or decreases, like that. So this is primary, secondary and tertiary carbocation. Now in all these carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized, and these compounds have trigonal planar structure. Okay, carbon is sp2 hybridized with positive charge and they are having H, H and H, trigonal planar structure. And in carbon atom, one p orbital is empty. Okay, So it will be like this. I will make that like this. It is empty, no electrons are present. Okay, carbon is sp2 hybridized, sp2 hybridized, and shape is trigonal planar. And these CH bonds are sigma bond.